Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on your Ps5 signed into your PSN account. Make sure two-step verification is active. Once signed in, go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Security, and select two-step verification. You need to generate backup codes now. Follow the prompts to create them. Save them externally, write them down, store in a password manager, or print a screenshot. Doing this prevents lockout if your phone is lost. Make sure to keep the codes private and accessible only to you. Once you reach the two-step verification prompt on Ps5, select the option to enter a backup code instead of using your authenticator. You then type one unused backup code exactly as shown, characters, dashes, and all. The system accepts the code and signs you in. Remember, each backup code is single-use. After successful sign-in, immediately replace or regenerate codes if you suspect exposure. Also, make sure to note which code you used so you don't try it again later. To finish, once signed in, confirm your account settings and consider regenerating backup codes to refresh security. If a code fails, first check for typos and confirm the code hasn't been used, then try another code. If all backup codes are exhausted or you cannot regain access, contact PlayStation support for account recovery, have proof of purchase or account details ready. Finally, make a habit of storing new codes offline and only use them when authentic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.